All right, Susie K.
I'll be back.
Okay.
I just bought this here. Is there any chance I can get some?
Susie K.
Yeah, thank you.
You too, love. Oh, Jesus, messed
Sorry.
up.
You want to sit?
Sorry.
You want? Oh yeah, we're taking
There you go. I open the door for you, okay? Have a nice day. Jesus, mister. Jesus, mister.
Jesus, messed
Sorry.
up.
Yeah, be that way. Angry old woman. Like, excuse me, I'm out here trying to earn a living. I didn't mean to get in your way.
Jesus, messed
Sorry.
up.
She didn't even say thank you when I opened the door for her. That's okay. I hope she has the afternoon she deserves. I wonder how many ex-husbands she has. Probably a lot. How you doing? How you doing? Oh, sorry. How you doing? Sorry. No, you're good. This is yours, right? Yeah, here you go. Thank you. Okay, go ahead. Have a good day. On the phone. Traffic, you gotta be careful. You get off that phone. Very good, thank you.
Now that you will prepare, that's good.
Oh yeah, well prepared. Have to be. People are crazy driving. Slow down, slow down. Blind corner. 2, 3, 4. All right. Guess the 5th one didn't make it. Yeah, I see you. Off-roading. This place is just unbelievable. Instead of parallel parking, he just leaves his car in the middle of the street. He's gonna block the whole street now because he went into the ATM. Can't be bothered to park, you know. They'd rather just inconvenience everybody because the whole world revolves around them. It's too much. It takes too much effort to, you know, parallel park this this vehicle. Yeah, now he's got a cut in front now. Oh, what is going on here? Oh, okay. More people who can't drive. Great. Incompetent people driving big SUVs. Enjoy the hell you created for yourselves. Oh, I've got a big giant SUV that I can't afford, that it's too big to fit anywhere. I'll impress all my neighbors and all my friends. They'll think I'm rich. That's what people do, right? They want to impress people. You're not impressing anybody when you're stuck in traffic. I don't know where to park. People think it's a good idea to get these massive SUVs, then they find out, oh, I can't park it anywhere. Good luck with that.